This is the 2-bedroom, 1-bath. This is the master bedroom. Small closet. I guess this could be used as a closet. It also has the air handler in here, which is connected to the 2nd bedroom. There's the bathroom. There's a lot of work. Second bedroom. So that room, that door would be the closet over here for the 2nd bedroom. Kitchen, water heater, hot place for it, no sink. And don't know where the stove would be, so the kitchen has to be remodeled. Steps down to this area. The Florida room where the washer and dryer would go. And then these are the 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Door needs to be replaced.